In 4 short years, HP's Omen brand has become the largest gaming Omen in the world and is looking to dominate gaming overall, introducing the all-new biometric gaming product line, By Omen. Our new biometric product line includes an all-new redesigned thumbstick, gaming controller, and gaming mouse, all fully integrated with HP's new software that acts as a proxy for all major gaming platforms. Our new thumbstick design is unlike anything currently on the market. Our team of engineers and designers have cultivated a product infused with efficiency, security, and performance. Able to be installed in most existing controllers, the all-new thumbsticks have an enhanced grip that improves user accuracy, provides more swirl range than competitors, and all sweat resistant. All with added convenience of a fingerprint scanner, so now through HP's proxy, software can sign into any gaming platform by fingerprint. With the gaming industry moving towards digital downloads over the next 5 years, you will have the convenience at the tip of your finger to make purchases with the added security of biometrics. Also be able to keep other users out of your account and provide parental controls to serve as an age gate to prevent children from playing violent video games designed for adults. Brand new to the Omen product line, our new wireless gaming controller provides users with a new twist to a familiar look. We have designed an ultralight controller with sweat-resistant grips that allows users to comfortably enjoy the gaming experience. The controller comes equipped with a biometric thumbstick and a 1200 mAh battery for all-day use, with a 30-minute quick charge feature. Our PhotoLine wireless mouse will now come equipped with a fingerprint scanner that allows gamers and everyday users alike to enjoy the convenience of biometrics, and rest at ease with its added security. The mouse will become customizable based on the user, including a programmable RGB lights, small removable weights to suit the user, and a 1200 mAh battery for all-day use, with a 30-minute quick charge feature. Also, in addition to our PhotoLine wireless mouse that will now come equipped with a fingerprint scanner, it also comes to use as a security scanner that allows you to make purchases and log in through your